Introduction to Air Conditioning Systems. Air system of an air conditioning system. In the previous section, we talked about heat and humidity treatment equipment and related principles. Air heat and humidity treatment are the main adjustment parameters of air treatment. In this section, let's introduce the air system of the air conditioner. Air systems are very important for the entire air conditioner. If the cold air blown out by the air conditioner cannot be delivered evenly and effectively, cooling efficiency will be greatly reduced. For example, when decorating a home, if air conditioning is installed, we must determine the location of the air vents, the direction of the wind, and consider the comfort of the human body. We would choose air vents that make the wind speed moderate. The same is true in the data center. We have to consider the hot spots to ensure uniform cooling. This is the role of the wind system. Here, we need to pay attention to the fact that reasonable airflow organization is a direction of heat transfer efficiency improvement. The following figures show air being supplied from the top of the room, up supply, and returning to the bottom of room, down return. The upper air supply form means that the air supply opening is often arranged at the upper part, and the return air side is generally arranged at the lower part. The upper air supply vents are generally arranged according to the site conditions and layout. The illustrations just show more configurations. Advantages of up and down supply. 1. The airflow is fully mixed with the room air before entering the work area, and it is easy to ensure a uniform and stable temperature and humidity field and velocity field. 2. The side supply side return airflow range is better, allowing a larger air supply temperature difference and a smaller air supply volume. Weaknesses of up supply and down return. 1. Installing air ducts connected to air return vents is difficult. 2. Using centralized air return vents causes significant noise in the data center. Next is up supply and up return. Both air supply, return ducts, and vents are located at the top of an air-conditioned room. This airflow organization arranges all the air vents in the upper part. Strengths of up supply and up return. 1. Air supply or return ducts being installed at the top of a room or hidden in a ceiling do not occupy floor space and easily match interior decoration. 2. When air return ducts are installed at the top of a room, the return airflow can take away part of heat radiated by lighting devices in the ceiling, reducing the cold load in the work area during summer. Weaknesses of up supply and up return. 1. Because part of the work area is in the air supply area and part is in the air return area, it is difficult to form a uniform temperature field, humidity field, and velocity field. 2. Improper air vent planning may cause blocked air supply or return, affecting air conditioning quality. Medium air supply. The air supply is located in the middle of the air-conditioned room, and the return air is located in the lower part. This airflow organization has a limited range of uses, and is only possible when some of the lower building spaces are cooled. The last form is down supply and up return. Air supply vents are located at the bottom of an air-conditioned room, and air return vents are located at the top of the room. Let's analyze the advantages and disadvantages of this type of air supply. Advantages. 1. Air supply from the lower part of the room enables fresh air to pass through the work area first, improving air quality of the work area. 2. When the cold air is sent, the air naturally rises after heat absorption, reducing the power consumption of the return air blower. 3. The residual heat in the upper part of the room can be directly discharged outside without entering the work area. Disadvantages. 1. Considering people's comfort, the air supply cannot be windy, so the area or quantity of air supply openings must increase, creating arrangement difficulties. 2. The ground tends to accumulate dirt, which affects air supply cleanliness.